What a toy with food. Yes, everything you always say, food is here.
Oh, it is delicious. Everything is food is always. Never even do yourself food is coming here.
You know we didn't doing good obviously, but food is gonna something doing obviously food going to here. Sure no, it's enough to food going here. Anyway, got to never know this food going here. You saw me never saw me food going here. I've got me sick. So food going to here.
Nothing is never nothing. The food going to is here.
So amazing is understand the food going to is here.
Never know in this food going to here. Food going to here.
Many food going to here. How is the lesson? Well, because food going to here. You for my son, Thomas. Food going to here. Never is there stress. Food going to here. Let's go.